Hey.
Erica got stuck on the cock. Yes, it's a video.
Oh.
Be proud of your cock-stuckiness.
Oh my god, what was that?
Dun, 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 dun. You need theme music, man.
Katie, I'm gonna put this
What's up?
Here, I got theme music. Riding the cock.
Is that a song? Cause you like, are you?
Ride the cock.
And shake your hips.
Ironic, but
No, the song came on right when you guys left.
well, you guys walked out of Freedom and that song came on.
What?
Like, oh.
Just in time.
I just came over here. Oh my god, Erica, this is not working. Over here. This is you.
Way to go.
Struggling. Don't step on the grease.